Certainly. Here are 10 free courses offered by each platform that might be helpful for research students in the Biological Sciences department. Coursera. 1.
Introduction to Biology, The Secret of Life.
2.
Fundamentals of Neuroscience.
3. Genomics and Biotechnology. 4.
Computational Neuroscience.
5.
Systems Biology and Biotechnology.
6.
Bioinformatics Specialization.
7. Introduction to Genetics and Evolution. 8.
Molecular Biology.
9.
Synthetic Biology.
10.
Neuroethics.
Google. 1.
Data Analysis with Pandas and Python.
2.
Genomic Data Science.
3.
Using Python to access web data.
4.
Molecular Biology in Python.
5. Introduction to R for Data Science. 6. Statistics and R. 7. Introduction to Bioinformatics with Python. 8.
Data Science Methodology.
9. Exploratory Data Analysis with R. 10.
Big Data, Genes, and Medicine.
Udemy. 1.
Molecular Biology for Non-Biologists.
2.
Neuroscience Basics.
3.
Introduction to Biochemistry.
4.
Genomics, Decoding the Universal Language of Life.
5.
Biostatistics for Data Science.
6.
Fundamentals of Clinical Trials.
7.
Introduction to Epidemiology.
8.
Basics of Biology.
9.
Biology Basics.
10.
The Biology of Cancer.
WHO. 1.
Global Health, an Interdisciplinary Overview.
2.
Health and Human Rights.
3. Introduction to Health Systems. 4.
Health Policy and Systems Research.
5.
Monitoring and Evaluation of Health Programs.
6.
Research Methods in Health Promotion.
7.
Health Economics.
8.
Social Determinants of Health.
9.
Health Security and Emergencies.
10. Infectious Diseases, a clinical short course. I hope these recommendations are useful to you. Please note that there may be additional courses available on each platform that could also be beneficial.